Hi, I'm Theo. I got a question about how to wear with 3D printed masking. And to show you how that's supposed to be worn, I have to first show you the inside. My head sits against the felt backing here at the top. There is a piece of foam where my forehead is, and there is a foam insert here for my chin. That really closes around my chin. It's made to fit me, nobody else, so that's not a one size fits everybody mask. To wear it, I just have to get the string out of the way, put it on, and push the string to the back. Yeah, that's what holds the mask in place. The back is open, but it doesn't really affect the mask. So if I want to get it tighter, I just have to adjust the string in the back. That way it will stay on no matter what I do. And if I want it looser, let's loosen the string a bit. I can, for example, open the lower jaw completely to get more air. That's it for now. Bye bye.